You want to sell your online course but don't have the budget for fancy platforms. Great news, you don't need one. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create and sell your course for free using Payhip, even if you're a complete beginner. No tech headaches, no hidden fees, just a way for you to start making money online today. I've been using Payhip in my business for a couple of years now, and it's by far the easiest way to start selling courses without upfront fees. I'll walk you through how to get started and launch with confidence. Now, if this sounds like the right path for you, I'd love for you to subscribe and stick around to watch plenty of the other videos that I am releasing. Now, to add a course, first you need to go to the products page and click add a new product. Click on courses. And the first thing you need to do is name your course. We'll just call this test for now. Once you've named your course, the page you'll land on is your curriculum page. And this is where you're going to build out your course. On the curriculums tab, this is where you're going to organize your course content into sections and lessons. Think of sections as your modules, and the lessons are the lessons underneath your modules. Payhip supports 7 different types of lessons: video, text, quiz, download lessons, surveys, assignments, and embeds. To add a new section, all you have to do is click add and name it, and that section will be automatically added. You can add lessons very simply and quickly just by clicking lessons. You can move lessons around, and you can move the modules around just by dragging and dropping. To get a quick little idea of what you're seeing here, you can duplicate your lessons. So if you've got a format that you've created, you can just hit duplicate. You can turn on discussions within lessons. You can make a lesson a prerequisite for another lesson. So somebody has to complete that lesson before they can move on with that course. You can turn on a free preview. So if you wanted to show potential customers a preview of a lesson, of a course, you can do that. And the tick at the end is where you can publish the course. So you can bulk publish courses just by clicking the tabs like that. When you go into the actual courses, the actual lesson itself, this is where you can name the course, name the lesson, and this is where you can select what type of lesson you will create. So let's create a text, and as you can see in here, all you have to do is add the text, select publish. You can make it free. So all the settings that you had on the main page, you have on the actual lesson page as well. You can also switch the lesson type while you're in that lesson. So if you wanted to change it to video, and for video, you can add a video directly from your video library, but the video library element is an add-on to the monthly subscription of Payhip if you choose to pay for monthly subscription, or you can upload a video. The easiest way to add videos to your lessons is to either embed or to add it within a text lesson as an insert video. So for this lesson, I have added a video, I've embedded a video, and I've put some dummy text. And once you've edited any part of your lesson, make sure you hit save changes at the bottom because it doesn't automatically save. And then you can go back to the curriculum. At this point, you could preview all course lessons or the course as an enrolled student. So let's just preview. This is the lesson in preview mode. Once you're done uploading your curriculum, the next thing for you to do is to brand your course, and you do that under the settings tab. And here you can change the title of your course, upload your thumbnail, and automatically subscribe customers to your mailing list, as long as you have your Payhip store and your email service provider. You've connected those two things. You can also style your course player by making sure that it matches your brand colors. So you can easily change your brand colors using the precise hex codes here. And you can change the fonts as well as uploading your own logo to the play. The next tab is where you can edit your pages. So you can edit your sales page and your thank you page, and you can view your checkout page. You can then go into the pricing tab and add your pricing, and you can select either a one-time purchase, subscription, payment plan, or you can offer a free course for as a lead generation. You can also have multiple payment plans on one course. So you could have one pay and a subscription on one course. By clicking the members tab, that takes you into the section where you can view all your customers. You can also view any quizzes, surveys, or assignments or comments that have been left by customers if you've set any of those up in your course. In Payhip, even as a free customer, you are able to give your customers certificates. So if you click the certificates tab, you can add a certificate so you can reward your customers who have completed your courses. The video library, as I said, this is an add-on feature. So if you wanted to the actual video library, you'd have to purchase an add-on video subscription from Payhip. You're also able to drip feed content. So under the drip tab, you can create a schedule to drip feed content to your clients. So if somebody purchases a course, you can have course lessons go out to people on a daily or a weekly or even a monthly schedule. When you're ready to publish your course, all you have to do is hit publish. And here you can either set it up for pre-order, so you could have people start purchasing your course before you've released it and show interest. So you can set it to publish. You also have the ability to choose your visibility on store. So you can make a course invisible. So you're the only one who can actually see that course. Or you can make it visible, which means that somebody can buy it on your Payhip store. Or you can have it as unlisted, and that means that you have a link and anybody else with the link can purchase it. So you can have it not be shown on your Payhip store, but you can send people, you can direct traffic straight to the link to your sales page through your emails or through social media, and that's how you promote it. Also, if you have any lessons in draft, at the bottom here, it will tell you which lessons you have in draft. If you're looking to publish your course, it's just a little warning to say you're looking to publish your course, but you've got some of these in draft. And whenever you make any changes, you have to hit save changes, and then that makes it. I just wanted to show you what a landing page or sales page looks like for a course in Payhip. So this is for my main store, and this is what you can create as a sales page in your Payhip store. Okay, I also wanted to show you what a fully fledged course looks like once you've completely set it up, what it can look like. So this is from my main store. Here I've not got video, but I've got audio training as well as the actual text. And it's fully branded. I've got my logo in here. I've changed it to my brand colors, and you can see that I've got embed, I've got download, and I've got text lessons as well. So now you have a complete overview of how to set up your course for free using Payhip. No monthly fees, no tech stress, just a simple way to get started with making money online. If this feels like the right platform for you, I've added my Payhip affiliate link in the description. So go check it out and start setting up your course today.